that you can find in a magic store or some countries that use magnetic coins. Now you put the magnet on your back pocket near the corner here, okay? And then put the coin in classic palm position, execute the force transfer, snap, show the left hand empty. At this point, you pretend to look for the coin, and as your hand moves to the rear, you actually deposit the coin into the magnet and leave it there. Okay? And now you will turn around. But as you turn around, make sure you start with the side that doesn't have the coin in the magnet. Okay? And as you're about to see the part where you have the coin, you pick up the coin and transfer it to the other hand and deposit the coin into the pocket like that. Move back and the coin is vanished. The first few moves, the force transfer, the keeping the coin in classic palm, the snap, and the pretend looking for it on your pockets, was actually by Greg Wilson. I just added the magnet in the pocket to make it different. You start by putting a piece of tissue paper inside your breast pocket. The purpose of this is to keep the mouth of the pocket a bit open, ready to receive the coin, and also to somehow hide the coin, the shape of the coin as it drops into your pocket. And then you begin with a himber vanish. The himber vanish is like this. Put your pinky on top of the open left palm. You drop the coin. The pinky will catch the coin. Just close your other fingers on it. Clip the coin. And close your left hand as you pick up the coin. And then pretend to wave, magically wave on the closed fist. And when you pull your hand towards your chest, you drop the coin into the breast pocket. Open, it's gone. Start by digging into your pocket looking for coins. Okay? And then pretend to choose one coin. Okay? Pretend to choose one. And you put all the coins back into the pocket, pretending to be holding on to one coin, but actually there's nothing there. You just pretend to be holding a coin, put it in the other hand. You wave on it, and it's gone. It needs some good acting and good timing. When you're pretending to get a coin and putting it back, make sure you're talking to them so that they look at your eyes, not at your hand. And just do it casually, convincing yourself that you actually have a coin here. It's easy to do. Jerk so that the coin will be thrown into the street. Position your hand on the edge of the table and hold the coin between the thumb and the point finger. The right hand pretends to pick up the coin, but as soon as the coin is covered, you loosen the grip of the coin and it falls right into your lap like that. And then you use the left hand to wave magically on the closed fist so that it's seen easily that both hands are empty. What you do is you put the coin on the thumb and the point finger, and you must make the space between the two buttons a bit open, and when both hands meet, you just squeeze. Without the hand, this is what you do. You put a piece of tissue paper in your pocket to keep the mouth a bit open and also to cushion the coin when it falls inside. You hold the coin on the edge using the tips of your thumb and your point finger, and when your hand is close to your chest, you just flick it into your pocket. Without the cover of the left hand, this is how it looks like. Of course, with the cover of the left hand, they will not see the coin going in there.
Bye!